Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials. Power down, unplug, and ground yourself so you don't fry components. Once done, remove the case side panel and position the PC where you can reach the GPU comfortably. Make sure you can see the bracket screws and any plastic clips holding the cover. Use a flashlight to inspect the cover seam. If screws are present, back them out one turn at a time into your container. You're unlocking, not forcing. Note any latches that need to be depressed before removing fasteners. You now focus on separation. Depress the retention clip or slide the latch while supporting the cover so it doesn't drop. If the shroud uses multiple screws, loosen them in a diagonal pattern to relieve tension evenly. This prevents bending. Once screws and clips are freed, lift the cover slowly at the front edge and wiggle gently to clear any hidden tabs. Make sure you're not stretching fan cables or peeling thermal pads. If anything resists, stop and recheck for missed screws or hidden clips. You finish by unplugging fan or RGB cables and labeling them so reassembly is straightforward. Don't yank wires. Inspect thermal pads and fan bearings for damage and clean dust with short bursts of compressed air. Reattach nothing until you confirm everything is intact. If the cover won't come free, make sure all screws are removed and feel for concealed clips. Use a thin prying tool only at a tab point to avoid marring the shroud. That one careful check prevents broken tabs and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.